Imagine possessing an unlimited inventory of products, all without a warehouse. Welcome to the world of print on demand. This ingenious business model allows entrepreneurs to sell custom designs on various products without the need for upfront investment or storage. The growth of print on demand in recent years has been phenomenal, transforming the e-commerce landscape. It offers endless opportunities for creativity and profit. With the right partner, this could be your golden ticket into the e-commerce world. Today we're diving into the deep pool of print-on-demand companies, bringing you the top 8 players in the game. We're not just throwing names at you, we're going to delve into the features of each one, highlighting their strengths and exposing their weaknesses. What sets them apart? Where do they excel? And perhaps most importantly, where do they fall short? We'll answer all these questions and more. Stay tuned to find out which company could be your ideal partner in this venture. Kicking off our list are 2 powerhouses in the industry. First up, we have Printful, a veteran in the print-on-demand scene. With a reputation built on quality, Printful offers a wide range of products, from t-shirts to posters, all ready to be branded with your unique designs. Their automated system seamlessly integrates with most e-commerce platforms, making order fulfillment a breeze. However, the high-quality service does come with a slightly steeper price point. Next is Printify, a company that's been making waves with its competitive pricing and extensive product catalog. They've established partnerships with print providers worldwide, ensuring fast shipping no matter where your customers are. But while Printify offers a lower cost per item, the print quality can sometimes vary due to the multiple print providers involved. These companies set the bar high, but there's more to come. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of print-on-demand services. Moving forward, let's uncover 2 more gems in the pod industry. Third on our list is a company known for its remarkable user-friendly interface. They offer an extensive range of products to choose from, which is a dream come true for any creative soul. However, one downside is that their shipping costs can be a bit steep, especially for international orders. Next up is a company that stands out for its competitive pricing. They have a knack for delivering high-quality products without breaking the bank. They also have an impressive global reach, making them a top pick for businesses looking to expand internationally. However, their product range isn't as vast as some may prefer. So there you have it. 2 more contenders each with their own strengths and weaknesses, but both offering a unique angle to the print-on-demand market. Intriguing options, aren't they? But we're just halfway through. As we delve deeper, the diversity of the pod industry becomes evident. Let's take a look at our 5th contender. Company 5, a titan in the industry, is known for its vast product catalog. From trendy apparel to quirky home decor, they've got an impressive spread that caters to a wide variety of tastes. Their print quality is top-notch, and they offer global shipping. However, their slightly higher price point could be a deal breaker for some. Moving on to Company 6, it's a game changer with a twist. They specialize in eco-friendly products, a great choice for those who want to make a positive impact. Their commitment to sustainability doesn't compromise on quality, offering vibrant prints on high-quality materials. The downside? Their product range is somewhat limited compared to others. With each company, the choice becomes harder, doesn't it? Last but not least, meet the final contenders in our top 8 list. First off, we have Company 7. What sets this company apart is its commitment to quality. They offer a range of products, each made with the utmost attention to detail. Their on-demand printing is top-notch, ensuring your designs are reproduced faithfully on the product of your choice. However, this does come with a slightly higher price tag, making it a choice for those who prioritize quality over cost. Next up, we have Company 8. This is the go-to for those looking for affordability, without sacrificing too much on quality. They've streamlined their processes to offer competitive pricing, making it an ideal choice for startups and small businesses. However, their product range may not be as extensive as others on this list. There you have it, the top 8 print-on-demand companies of 2024. That was a whirlwind tour of the pod industry, wasn't it? Let's quickly recap the highlights. Company 1 and 2, they're your go-to if you're looking for a wide range of products and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms. Company 3 and 4, they're all about quality and user-friendly interfaces, making them great for beginners. Now, let's not forget about Company 5 and 6. They offer competitive pricing and fast shipping. If you're budget conscious or in a time crunch, they could be your perfect match. Lastly, Company 7 and 8 stand out with their eco-friendly options and excellent customer service. Each of these companies has its unique strengths and weaknesses, Some focus on product diversity, others on quality, pricing, speed, sustainability, or customer support. It's a rich tapestry, offering different strokes for different folks. Remember, the best company for you depends on your specific needs and goals. The print-on-demand industry is bustling with opportunities. We've journeyed together through the top 8 print-on-demand companies of 2024, each presenting unique and compelling offerings. But remember, the real voyage of discovery doesn't end with knowing them. It's about diving in, exploring their services, testing out their products, and finding the one that resonates with your unique vision. Whether you're an artist looking to share your creativity or an entrepreneur seeking new ventures, these companies offer a springboard towards a world where your ideas can come to life, tangible and ready for the world to admire. So go ahead, take that leap of faith. Let your journey in the print-on-demand industry begin today. After all, the future of commerce is here, and it's more personalized, more creative, and more accessible than ever. Here's to your success in the vast, exciting world of print-on-demand.